Hey everyone, Extreme Crypto here. Today we're going to connect our Liberium crypto to our Kucoin exchange using our API keys. After logging into Liberium crypto, you'll be on the home page. From the home page, we'll go down to dashboard. The moment you get into the dashboard, you'll see in the middle of the screen this blue setting, exchange setting. We click on it and it will open the exchange settings. At the bottom, you'll see connect and exchange. And today we'll be connecting Kucoin. So we select it and then continue. It opens a page saying connect and exchange. API key, API secret key, and API phrase. And if just beneath it, it gives you all the instructions how to get your API connected. First of all, go to Kucoin and sign in. I've already signed in to make it a little bit faster. In the top menu, click on a circle with your initials. Click on a circle. In the list that pops up, click on API Management. Click on API Management. And then we click on Create an API Key. Create a name for your API. Create a safely noted your API phrase. We'll make it Liberium, the name, and the phrase will make Liberium crypto. Now, very important, I'm doing this for the purpose of the video, and I will be deleting this API afterwards. So don't share your secret phrase or your API keys with anyone. Use the checkbox to trade. This allows the system to place orders and cancel orders. So general and trade needs to be ticked. In the API restrictions section, click the button for no. Click no. Then we click next. I'm not a robot. Let's see, find the crosswalks. There we go. Now we'll be asking your trading password and email verification. We'll send our email. Just get the email real quick. And this will be a different code every time, as well as your 2FA code. 2FA. And confirm. Just one more step to complete. An email was sent to your mailbox. Open the email and follow the instructions to verify your API key. Let's get that email that I'll be doing on the site. Just going through it. All it says is click to activate your API key. Here we go. Now, after clicking the email, it has given me the needed information to put in. So we copy our key, we paste it in. The secret, we copy it and we paste it in. And then the secret phrase is Liberium crypto. And we click continue. We say confirm. And then we say continue. And our exchange are connected. Quick and easy to do. Just follow the steps or stop and pause the video and keep on continuing. Enjoy the profits. Have a great one.